स्वागत है तुम्हारा। आज खुलेंगे मैथ्स का पिटारा, बजाएंगे सिंपल इक्वेशंस का ढोलक। मैं हूं अमित मोदक। Very fantastic welcome students in this today the amazing video we are going to have on simple equations, and this would be of grade 7 and 8 mathematics. So if you have not subscribed the channel, please subscribe it right now. Like, share with your friends. It's very important channel to get subscribed, because very fantastic and amazing things come in this video and this amazing channel also. So yes, let's moving further and let's have the understanding of this simple equation, and then we'll be doing questions also. So, in today's video, what are the things we'll be learning? Algebraic equation. What is this algebraic equation? Has to set up an equation, then solution of an equation. So, I will also give the hacks which always the students get confused or they get fumbled when they come and try to solve such questions based on your algebraic equations. So do not, and they just get confused where to use the plus, where to use minus. So today I'm going to also give you the some of the hacks. So for that you have to keep on looking into the video till the end. So here, let's understand first algebraic equation or algebraic expression. Now, algebraic expression, before understanding algebraic equation, let us understand first algebraic expression. So, algebraic expressions are obtained by combining variables and constants with the help of some operators. We are using some of the operators like positive, negative, these plus sign, negative sign, these are acting as the operators. Now, where we will be using operators? We will be operating these operators for defining the variables, for defining the constants in the expression. There can be a use of positive sign, there can be a use of divide sign, there can be a use of multiplication sign. So as per the situations, we are using them. So let us understand then algebraic equation. If algebraic expressions are combining the variables and constants with the help of operators, then if we put a equal sign to that, then it becomes an algebraic equation. So to represent an algebraic equation, I have written here an example of it as 3x plus 2 equal to 9. So here what you can see, this 3, 2, 9, these are the constants. You can see x as a variable, and you can see the equal sign, and plus sign is an operator. Plus sign is the operator here. So algebraic expression becomes equation when we put a equal sign and we try to show something on the left hand side and something on the right hand side, and that left hand side and right hand side are being bridged with a equal sign. We must have an equal sign in between them to make it a equation. If equal sign is not there, it will remain as an expression. And algebra is basically a branch of maths where we deal with the constants, we deal with the variables. And here we have a variable of x. It can be of y, a, b, anything. So if we want to relate this algebraic expression, this algebraic equation with our real life situation, is it being useful? Let's see. Ria buys some number of bottles of juice at the cost of rupees 20 per bottle. Now she pays the shopkeeper 50 rupees, after which she gets a change of 10. Means Ria went to the shop, she asked for the juice bottles, which were of 20 rupees each. Now, how many bottles did she purchase? That we don't know. Okay, she purchased some number of bottles. We don't know how many number. Okay, but the cost of one bottle was 20 rupees and she paid 50 rupees in total and she also got 10. So in such situations, the some number of bottles is an unknown quantity and that is what we represent them with a variable. We represent them with a variable. So we can take it, let's say X, we can take it as a Y, we can take it as a M, any alphabets we can use in place of these unknown variables. Now just like here, the Ria buys some number of bottle of juice, Kamal give 2 times his pocket money. How much pocket money it is? We don't know, but 2 times of the pocket money. After some number of lines, some number, we don't know what was the number which crossed the river. So all these are the unknown values. These are called as the unknown values. Now, as I told you that I will give you some hacks that when real life situations comes and we want to make the equations, such things will be very helpful. Like when it comes is, was, where, will, become, would be, that actually tells us about the equal sign. If it is a case with the increase, more than, greater, in that case we use the positive sign. If it is a case of decrease, less than, then we use negative sign. Then comes exceeds. In that case also we understand that some number was there, it exceeds means it got increased. So how much it increased? Then we use this negative sign to understand that. And then by how much or equal by, we use the equal sign in that. So we'll see examples and that will make it more clear. So let's say we have a question here. You are decorating a gift pack with 15 flowers. Now you want an equal number of flowers in each of the 3 rows on the gift pack. There are 3 rows are there and 15 flowers are there. And we want that in the 3 rows there should be an equal number of flowers. So which equation would you use to find the number of flowers if the number of flowers is, let's say, R? They have given that let the use of alphabet R. So if R is the number of flowers, so which one would you choose? Will it be R plus 3 equal to 50 or 3R is equal to 50? Think upon it. But let's see what's the answer then. Yes, if you have thought it as 3R equal to 15, it's absolutely correct. As they want the equal number of flowers in each row. So if the number of flowers is R, so how many rows are there? 3. So 3 into R should be equal to the total number of flowers. That's 15. Okay. So let's do one question here. Set up an equation for the following case. Irfan has 7 marbles, more than 5 times the marbles Parul has. Irfan has 37 marbles in total. It says take M to be the number of Parul's marbles. So we have to set up an equation. Try it. Pause the video and try it. Irfan has 7 marbles, more than 5 times the marble Parul has, and Irfan has all in total 37 marbles. Alright, let's discuss. So as it says, take M to be the number of Parul's marble. Because this is unknown, we don't know how many marbles does Parul has. So let Parul has M number of marbles. Now Irfan, number of marbles Irfan has. How much it would be? It says 7 marbles more than 5 times marble Parul has. So 5 times of Parul plus 7. More it is says. Now, as per the as per the question, now Irfan has 37 marbles. So number of marbles Irfan has is 37, 5m plus 7, and that should be equal to 37 as per the question. That 5m plus 7, that quantity, okay, that quantity should be equal to the 37. All right. So this is how we make the equations out of this situation. Let's have another question. Set up an equation for the following case. In an isosceles triangle, the vertex angle is twice either a base angle. Let the base angle be B in degrees. So we have to use the letter B. Remember that sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So it says that an isosceles triangle is there where vertex angle is twice either the base angle. Try to solve it. Make the video pause and try to make the equation of it. Okay, let's do it. So as it says, let the base angle. So here we have the base angle, let's say B. And since it's an isosceles triangle, so these two sides are equal. So this would be also a B. Now, the vertical angle, it says the vertex angle is B. This is the vertical angle, okay. Now this is twice either the base. That means this angle, suppose let's say I'm giving it a name as ABC. So it says that angle A is equal to 2 times of B. So now as per the question, okay, as per the question, this is 2B, this is B, this is B. So we know that angle A plus angle B plus angle C in a triangle is equal to 180 degree. That is angle sum property. So angle A is 2B. This is also B. This is also B. 180. And this is how it becomes 4B equal to 180 degree. So this would be the equation. All right. Chala. So here comes a question that write the equation in statement x by 4 minus 4 equal to 4. How will write this equation? The equation is being given, but how will pronounce it, or how will make it in a terms of words? All right, chalo. So can we write? Can we say it as that 4 subtracted from 1/4 of x is 4. 4 subtracted from 1/4 of x is 4. Okay, you can write the word form like this. Let's move on. Or otherwise, we can also say 1/4 of a number x minus 4 gives 4. That is also one way we can say. So let's have some quizzes now. Choose the correct statement corresponding to the equation 7 plus 3y equal to 45. Which statement you think is the correct one for this? Write on the comment box what option you want to select. A, B, C or D. Alright, time up. Let's look into the answer. Yes, the first answer is correct. Add 7 to 3 times of a number is equal to 45, or to get 45. Next question. Set up an equation for a given statement. It says if you take away 6 from 6 times y, you get 60. If you take away 6 from 6 times y, you get 60. If you take away 6 from 6 times of y. Okay. So I'm hoping that you select. You have already commented on the chat box that what could be the answer. Yes, absolutely. If you have selected D, that's absolutely correct. 6 has been taken away from 6 times of y. That gives you 60. So here we have achieved a milestone. Very nice. So the first part you have understood so well. Very nice, students. Very nice. So let's look into the second part. That's solution of an equation. Now what does this solution of an equation means? So suppose we are considering an equation x plus 3 equal to 7. Now on the left hand side and on the right hand side of a beam balance, we are making it equalize. On the left hand side, we are keeping x plus 3 and on the right hand side, we are keeping a 7 and making it equalize. So tell me what we can put in the value of x so that this equation is being balanced on both sides, that x plus 3 should be equal to 7. So what could be the possibility of the value of x? Yes, I'm very sure your answer must be 4. And that's what that 4 becomes. That 4 becomes the solution of the equation. You can see here, as soon as the 4 went there, the balance got in a equilibrium condition. Yes, so that 4 is called as the solution. So here we can say the solution of an equation is the value of the variable that makes LHS is equal to RHS. That is left hand side equal to right hand side. So we know that the solution of an equation is the value of the variable that makes LHS and RHS are equal. Okay, sure. So let's have a question here. If 2/3 of a number, half of the same number, and 1/7 of the same number is added to itself, the result is 37. So could you find the number? Let's try. If 2/3 of a number, half of the same number, and 1/7 of the same number is added to itself, the result is 37. Pause the video and try to solve. Alright, I'm hoping you have done. Let's do it. So let the number be x. Okay, x is the favorite one, huh? Okay, otherwise you can definitely take y, z, okay, m, p. So if 2/3 of a number, let's say 2/3 of x plus half of x as the half of the same number, 1/7 of the same number added to itself, that is plus x, should be equal to 37. So if we take the LCM, 3 to 6, 6 7 is 42, 3 1s are 3, 14 2s are 28, x plus 221 x plus 7 6 are 42, 42 x equal to 37. So here we add it up, 28, 21, 6 and 42. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 6 15 to 17, carry 1, 2 2 4 4 8 1 9, 97. 97x is equal to 37 into 42. Okay. X would be equal to 37 into 42 by 97. Okay. So Now 97 is getting divided by 37 into 42. So we can multiply 37 into 42. So 7 2s are 14, carry 1 3 to 6, 1 7. 7 4s are 28, carry 2, 4 3s are 12 to 14. So 4 8 7 15, carry 1, 1 5 5 4. 1554 divided by 97. Now we can convert this in terms of mixed number. Okay, we can convert this in terms of mixed number. So 1554, if we divide it by 97, 97 ones are 97, 8, 14, 9, 5, 14, 4 comes 584. So 97 fours, I think 7 fours are 28, 2, 9 fours are 36, 2, 38. And let's say try with 97 into 6. 6 7 are 42, carry 4, 9 6 are 54, and 5 58. Yes, we can take 6 here. So 582 it comes, and 2 is remainder. So definitely we can write here 97 into 16. Okay, plus 2, that gives 1554 by 97. So we can write in the form of mixed number 16 2 by 97, and this is correct answer, students. Okay, so this is how we can do. Let's do another question. If 2 by 5 of 5x plus 1 plus 3 by 5 is equal to 1, then what is the value of x? Let's do it. So here we have an equation 2 by 5. So let's multiply, yeah, we can write it down. 2 by 5, 5x plus 1 plus 3 by 5 equal to 1. So we can multiply it. 2 5s are 10x by 5 plus 2 by 5 plus 3 by 5 equal to 1. So 5 1s are 5 2s are. So 2x, and if we take the LCM of this, 2 by 5 plus 3 by 5, LCM is 5, 2 plus 3, 5 by 5, that is 1, equal to 1. So 2x is equal to 1 minus 1 is 0, x is equal to 0, it says. So x is coming 0. You can check it also. If you want to check, you can check also. If you put the 0 value here, 0 plus 1 is 0. So 2 by 5 plus 3 by 5. You check it, 5 by 5. That is 1, 1 equal to 1. Okay. Let's move to the another question. In a quiz, 40 prizes consisting of first and second prizes only are to be given. First and second prizes are worth rupees 2,500 and rupees 1,500 respectively. If the total prize money is rupees 85,000, then the equation formed is, the second question is the number of first prizes are, and the third is the number of second prizes are. So there is a quiz where 40 prizes need to be distributed, where the first prize is of your 2,500 and second prize is amount of 1,500. Total prize amount is 85,000. Then what is the equation for? Pause the video and try to get the solution of it. First is you have to get the equation. Second is number of prizes. That is the first and second. Pause the video, try to get the solution of it. Alright, chalo. I'm hoping that you have completed, and let's see how we can do. So here what we can see is total number of prizes is 40. Okay. Let the first prize number be x. That is, let's say the quantity of first prize. Okay, let the quantity be of first prize is x. So second prize would be 40 minus x. Okay, the number of second prizes is 40 minus x. Now, as per the question, it says that the amount for the first prize is 2500 into x. It would be for x number of prizes. Similarly, 1500 into 40 minus x, that would be a second prizes amount. It should be equal to the 85,000. So 2500x plus 15 fours are 60 and 3 zeros minus 1500x equal to 85,000. So we can do a subtraction of 2500 minus 1500. It gives 1000x. 85,000 minus 60,000. That gives 25,000. So here 1000x is there. So therefore x would be 25,000 divided by 1000. Three zeros cancel. X is 25. So the number of first prizes. So this was the equation we have got already. This was the equation to be formed. Number of first prizes we have got as a solution of x as 25, and the second prize we can get 40 minus 25. It is 5. 3 minus 2 is 4. So the third answer is 15. All right. Sure. So the next question, to find out the value of x, very nice question. This is a homework for you people. This is going to be a homework for you. Very nice question. Write on the comment box, and I would love to check that who is the student who is getting the right answer of this fantastic question. See you then in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.